What is up guys? Sites in this video I'm going to show you how to make a donation page with PayPal. So first head over to your PayPal's website and then log in with your PayPal account. And log in into your PayPal account, just make sure that you have entered your business details like your bank account or your card details. When you enter those, you will see the pay and get paid option at the front or the home page of PayPal. Click on that and then click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, you can just see all the options, but for creating a donation button, you need to click on create payment links under the accept payments button. After clicking on the create payment links and buttons, this is the window that you will be redirected to, and from here at the top you need to select the payment buttons, and after selecting the payment buttons you need to write the item name and the description, and after that in the button name you need to write donate or donation. Whatever button name you want to keep, you can just keep it, and then you need to select a payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, whatever, and after that you are done. And this is how you can create a donation account in PayPal. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.